Hey y'all, it's 𝚑𝚘𝚚. Welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for tuning in again. And if you're new, subscribe and join the family. I should start being consistent. What I'm going to be doing today is literally making the alphabet out of resin of my keychains for my business. So I'll do a voiceover for this video. So I'll just let you guys watch what I do and let's get straight into it. Okay, so the colors I'm going to be using is black and white from this pigment. I thought it was going to make a brown, but it didn't. So on the second batch, I didn't use it. That's just the hardener and the resin, my cup, measuring cups, and then of course the mold. And then in the color bronze and in the color light brown is what I'm going to be mixing in as well, because that's the colors that I used for my lip gloss. And I'm also going to have my mask on because this stuff is really toxic and it gets me lightheaded. So when you're mixing in the resin and the hardener, you want to always make sure that you have the same amount of resin as hardener. You're supposed to do it. So make sure that you always use the same amount each. So that's why we have our measuring cups, to be sure. The resin and the hardener kind of split in between the middle, so that's how I could tell. Also want to stir the resin and hardener together until it's clear and not cloudy. Right there, you can see it's really cloudy. Keep on stirring until it gets really clear. I end up not having enough for the first batch to finish all the lettering, so after this you're going to see me make another batch and then I'm going to finish the rest. On the second batch it was a little bit lighter than the first batch because the first batch I used some of that black, and the second batch I didn't use the black, I just used the mica powder pigment. But it all turned out to be really beautiful and didn't make a serious difference at the end result. Right now I'm just basically going to clean around the area, and I'm also going to be cleaning in between the cracks where I spilled the resin and get that cleaned up. If you happen to spill like drops like I did around the mold, that's fine. You can just wait till it hardens up if you want and just peel it right off of the mold, or you could just go ahead and clean around it. I just preferred to clean around it since I already had to clean the disc. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this sit for in between 12 to 24 hours, let it cure, and then I'll get back to you guys within that time frame to show you guys an update on whether or not hardening. This is my 𝙿𝚎𝚛𝚠 keychain. Then this is gonna be the 𝚎𝚜𝚎 keychain, the ones that I'm making right now. These keychains won't be released just yet. I'll only be doing the lip gloss for right now, and my candles and my body shimmer lotion that I made. And then these keychains will go out after I stack up on the lettering. I'll have to get more resin and more hardener to make multiple. It'll just make everything faster having inventory, because I don't want to have to launch my business and then a bunch of people, this first letter of their name is A, and then I only have like this made, and I'll have to go and make more, and that's like making the process time longer. So I'm just going to make a whole bunch, and then that's when I'm going to drop my keychains so that it's easier and quicker. But I'll get back to you guys as soon as they cure, and we'll see how they turned out. Okay guys, that's it for me making my resin for my resin keychains. They turned out really cute. I really like them a lot. Just look at it, look how pretty they are. I'm just gonna stack up on all these letters and stuff like that before I even drop my keychains for my business. I don't want anybody like to order and then somebody else order it and then another person ordering, and guess what, they all ordered the same letter and then I only have one batch. You know what I'm saying? So I want to make multiple before I even decide to do that. I haven't even launched my business yet, period. But when I do launch my business, that won't be included into the launch. I'm just going to be doing my lip gloss, like I said before, my candles, and my lotion. Alright, so you guys stay tuned to my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. But I don't want to come back down. Wait. Just like air.